Let me ask you something. Why do some people start with almost nothing and still become wealthy, while others work hard every single day and stay stuck? Is it luck, talent, or connections? No, it's something most people completely ignore. Because the truth is, growing your money has nothing to do with how much you start with, and everything to do with what you do with it. Right now, you might think you need a lot of money to change your life. But what if I told you even the smallest amount can turn into something big? Not by chance, but by strategy. And in the next few minutes, you're going to see exactly how it works. Here's where most people get it wrong. They believe saving money is the key. So they save, little by little, hoping one day it will be enough. But here's the harsh reality. Saving alone will never make you rich. In fact, if your money just sits there, it's slowly losing value. Prices go up every year. Food, rent, transportation, everything becomes more expensive, but your money stays the same, which means over time, it can buy less and less. So while you think you're being careful, your money is actually shrinking silently. Maybe you've experienced this before. You try to save money, but something always comes up. An emergency, unexpected bills, or just daily needs. And suddenly, everything you saved is gone. It feels like no matter how hard you try, you're not moving forward. And that's frustrating because you're doing what you were told is right, but it's not giving you real results. That's because the system most people follow is incomplete. You weren't taught how money actually grows. And once you understand this, everything changes. Here's the mindset shift that separates those who struggle from those who grow wealth. Rich people don't just save money, they make their money work for them. Think about it like this. Money is like a worker. If you leave it sitting, it does nothing. But if you give it a job, it starts producing more money. Just like planting a seed, if you keep it in your hand, nothing happens. But if you plant it and give it time, it grows into something much bigger. This is where the real power comes in. It's called compound growth. Simple, but life-changing. You earn money, then that money starts earning more money, and then that new money earns even more. It keeps building over and over again. And at first, it feels slow, but over time, it starts speeding up. What once looked small begins to grow faster than you expect. And that's how people turn small beginnings into massive results. So how do you actually do this? You don't need anything complicated. You just need to start. You can invest your money, start a small side hustle, or reinvest whatever you earn. The key is simple. Don't just earn money, grow it. And don't just grow it once. Repeat the process again and again, because consistency is what creates real change. Even small amounts, done consistently, can transform your future. Here's the truth most people realize too late. You don't need to be rich to start, but you need to start to become rich. Time is your biggest advantage, but only if you use it, because every day you wait is a day your money could have been growing. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until you have more. Start now with whatever you have. Because one day you'll either say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I started earlier. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video.